Hi my friends, you are going to integrate this complex equation here, where C is a contour along the circle, where Z is equal to 4. Now, first of all, we identify the pole. One of the pole is that Z is equal to 5. Remember, the pole is a point where the function is not defined. When Z is negative 5, this function here is not defined. And the order of this pole is 1. The second pole and this 1 is outside the given contour, because modulus of 5 is greater than 4, meaning that this pole at Z is equal to negative 5, it is outside. So the sum of the residues of this pole will give us 0. Now the second pole is at Z is equal to negative 3. As you can see here, the order is of order 2. It is of order 2. And this pole is inside the given contour because 3 is less than 4. Now, so first of all, you are going to get the residue at Z is equal to negative 3. And it will be found by the limit as Z tends to negative 3, first derivative of the given function. So we have this limit. So first of all, we differentiate this by quotient rule, whereby we differentiate the numerator as we keep the denominator constant. So Z squared differentiated will give you 2Z multiplying by the denominator, which is Z plus 5 as shown here. Then minus the denominator differentiated, which is 1 times 10. Minus the denominator differentiated, which is 1 multiplying by Z squared as shown here. Then you remove the bracket. Here you will have 2Z squared plus 5Z minus Z squared divided by the denominator squared. So 2Z squared minus Z squared will give us Z squared plus 10Z divided by Z plus 5 squared. Then from there we substitute the limit. Where you have negative 3, you substitute with Z. So negative 3 squared will result to 9. 10 times negative 3 will give us that. Then negative 3 plus 5 is 2. 2 squared is 4. As shown here. 9 minus that is negative 21 over 4. So this is the sum of the residue. So this is the sum of the residue at the pole R is equal to 3. Then by Cauchy Riemann integral, our result will be 2 pi I multiplied by negative 21 over 4. Then you can divide by 2. By 4 by 2 is 2. So that you have now negative I 21 pi over 2 is the result of our given complex number, whereby we are given the contour to be where C is equal to 4. So thanks so much for taking your time to study with me the complex maths. On more such learning, kindly tune on to my YouTube channel so that you may keep on learning together this important field of maths. In case if you have any question, remember to do so. Also remember to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss a single video which I upload for us every day. Bye bye. See you in the next presentation.